To view a list of current database users, navigate to Administration and then Users. This screen lists each user, their last login date, security clearances, and assigned groups. To add a new user, click Add. Enter a username and first and last name. If the user needs to receive emailed reports or alerts, the username must be an email address. To create a password for the new user, change the Force Password Change on Next Login to No. Otherwise, once the user profile is created, the system sends an email to the user prompting them to create their own password. Next, select a security clearance. Default security clearances have predefined settings to give the user different levels of access. To learn more about security clearances and how to create custom clearances, watch our video, How to Set Up Security Clearances for Users. Data access is used to restrict a user's data scope to specific groups. The default access is Everything, which allows the user to access all data. To restrict access to specific groups, select the groups from the dropdown, or type the name and select. Below is the user's designation, employee number, and comments. Under the Driver tab, if the user is a driver, set This user is a driver to Yes. If using an NFC key fob for driver identification, click Add New Driver Key, select NFC from the dropdown, and enter the NFC key serial number. Click the green check mark to add the NFC key. Below, enter the user's driver's license information. Under the UI Settings tab, configure regional settings for measurement of distance, fuel economy, date and time formats, and time zone. Select the user's default page at startup. Under the HOS Settings tab, if a driver needs to be hours of service compliant, select a rule set from the dropdown. If the driver is using hours of service, this entire section must be filled in. Save when complete. You have successfully added a user to your database.